Hi everyone, greetings to a new video, and this is your Vivek from A Dreamer's Life. Today's video is regarding an update on Beverly Hills, which is getting ready at a pace which I can't even describe. A project which was scheduled to be delivered next year in the month of July, but at the pace what the work is being done, I am sure you understand and you all are excited about the delivery. I can't talk on the delivery date as usual, but yeah, I'm sure, and I'm sure even you understand, we can expect it to be delivered before schedule. So without wasting time, I would directly take you to the video. However, there is a small message that I wanted to pass on regarding a new project which we have launched in High-Tech City. It's a luxury segment, and I thought there are many customers who felt they missed out on a good opportunity after not investing in Prestige Beverly Hills or even Claremont, I could say. So this particular project is a very exclusive one, very close to High-Tech City. To be precise, it is right behind Khajaguda. This is right behind Kim's Hospital at Khajaguda, and very, very close to High-Tech City and all the prominent locations. So I would request you to consider that particular project as well, because it's only 150 flats at 2.42 acres, luxury segment, 5,000 SFT flat. Now when I say luxury segment, what I'm trying to highlight is the entire house has got complete marble flooring, amazing layouts, beautiful views, it has got a lake view completely uninterrupted. You can rest assured it's gonna be like throughout, always like that itself. So it's a fully air conditioned house, top fixtures, everything. I will be sharing a link for a video which I had made for that particular project. I would request you to go through it, and please do share this video with any of your friends who might be interested. I would not divert from the topic. I know you would like to continue watching the update on the construction for Beverly Hills, so quickly I'll go there. Thank you so much for all your support, and look forward to connect with you very, very soon. Take care and stay blessed. Cheers. Bye.